Dear shareholders, your company has invested nearly 3.5 lakh crores towards creating a state-of-the-art digital infrastructure across India with largest optical fiber footprint. And recently, we have divested about 1.25 lakh crores of hard infrastructure into separate infrastructure investment trusts or InvITs to better monetize and unlock value from these assets. Through these investments, we have created world-class, legacy-free, future-proof assets, all of which are fixed, mobile, converged. The core and the aggregation layers of our converged network are already 5G ready today. And because of our early adoption of ongoing enhancements to LTE technology, our wireless network is already 4G+, and we can upgrade this to 5G at minimum incremental cost. Thanks to Jio's converged network architecture, we can offer even faster fixed broadband to homes and business establishments today. Friends, unlike other industry players, your company has had the foresight to pre-invest in network assets. For this reason, I can report to you today that the investment cycle of Jio is now complete. Only marginal investments in access are now required to grow capacity to meet the growing demand. This gives us tremendous operating leverage and superior returns on our investment for years to come. Friends, while most of our investments are complete, we have so far fired up just one of the engines of revenue generation for Jio, namely mobile broadband. Even with one engine, Jio has been profitable from its first quarter of commercial operations. And now we are ready to kickstart 4 more engines of connectivity revenue for Jio. And they are, first, Internet of Things, or IoT, for all over India. Second, home broadband services. Third, enterprise broadband services. And fourth, broadband for small and medium businesses. And I'm glad to report that the revenues from each of these engines will kick in within this financial year itself.
इन खबर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।